Good morning. Hope you people are going through the video lectures. It is mandatory because we don't know when you are going to meet in the class. As long as this pandemic is there, it is not possible for us to meet. And therefore, you all should go through the video lectures. And if you have any suggestions, any queries about the material taught in the video lectures, you can ask. Well, yesterday we started Bose-Einstein statistics and distribution law. We arrived at the probability equation. This is the equation we arrived in the last lecture for maximum probability of distribution of n number of particles of the given system in J-1 partitions. This equation may further be written as product of items. So this will be valid for G1, G2, G3, G4, etc. and the group of particles N1, N2, N3, etc. The same thing and we wrote this as an equation. I don't remember the equation number. Whatever. Let me call it equation 5. You continue with your sequence. If this P is very large, it will be constant. We shall use the same procedure we used in the MP statistics and distribution law. We shall take logarithm of this thermodynamic probability. Then we shall go for differentiation of log of this maximum probability. Differentiation of log of this maximum probability should be 0, as maximum is always a constant and differentiation of a constant is 0. So let me first go for logarithm of equation number 1 to get logarithm of P is equal to, when we take log, product will be replaced by summation. Let me write here sum of I, logarithm of the numerator minus sum of I, logarithm of the denominator equation number 6. Then let us use Stirling approximation as we did in MP distribution law. Equation number 7, Stirling approximation. Log n factorial is equal to n log n minus n. Let us use equation 7 in equation 6 for first term, second term and third term, so that equation 6 with equation 7 can now be written as using equation 7 in equation 6, we have this equation. This term written as this term into log of this term minus this term. The same is done for second term and third term. Let us simplify this further to get summation of I is taken common for all, okay, and all the terms are written in a single line. Minus ni plus ni identically cancels out. Plus gi minus gi identically cancels out. Similarly, this plus 1 minus 1 also identically cancels out. Let us collect the remaining terms. Equation number 8. So, logarithm of the maximum probability of distribution of ni number of particles in j minus 1 number of partitions using Stirling approximations will be equation number 8. We want to show this P is really maximum. This P will be maximum if differentiation of log of P is 0. So, to show that this P is maximum, let us differentiate equation 8 on both sides. Differentiation of 8 will be differentiation of log of p, it is equal to 0 as p is maximum. Maximum is always constant. Differentiation of a constant is 0, and therefore this is 0. That equal to differentiation of all these terms. These two are in product, these two are in product, these two are also in product. So here we have to use product formula, and product formula. Let us go for first one. If this is held constant and it is differentiated, we will have here this is constant, this is constant. Differentiation of this is 0, differentiation of this is 0, differentiation of this is dn. First term differentiated. Let us go to second one. Minus ni into 1 by ni into dn minus ln of ni into dn minus j minus 1 is constant, differentiation of this will come 0, so that we write simply 0 here. And this is further, these two identically cancel out. Let us collect the terms which are left. dni here let cancel, minus dni minus logarithm of ni into dni is equal to 0. This plus dni minus dni get cancelled, and what left is so after differentiating equation 8 and simplifying, we got equation 9. Summation over I, logarithm of ni plus ji minus 1. This dni taken outside, minus logarithm of ni, simple bracket complete, dni, square bracket complete, is equal to 0. Equation number 9. Then, in the last lecture, we also wrote two equations. This one, summation over dni is equal to 0, and summation over ei dni is equal to 0. Multiply this equation by alpha, this equation by beta. Multiply this equation by alpha, this equation by beta, and add these two into equation 9 to get and that is what After multiplying this equation by alpha, this equation by beta, adding these two in equation 9, taking dni common from all the four terms, we get equation 10. Equation 10 may further be iterized. Log a minus log b. That will be log a divided by b. Let me write the same thing. dni sent to RHS. The summation can also be sent to the RHS. And what will left with? Logarithm of ni plus gi minus 1 divided by ni plus alpha plus beta ai is equal to 0. This is further one here is ignored, since one is ignored, and this plus alpha plus beta ai sent to the RHS. So we got the equation as logarithm of ni plus gi by ni is equal to minus alpha minus beta. Equation number 1. Let us take anti-logarithm on both sides of equation 11. If you take antilog on both sides of equation 11, we will get ni plus gi divided by ni is equal to e to the power minus of alpha plus beta ei. This could be further 1 plus gi divided by ni is equal to, or gi by ni is equal to, this one side to this side, so gi by ni is equal to e to the power minus of alpha plus beta ei minus 1 equation 12. Equation 12 may further be simplified. Let us take reciprocal on both sides of equation 12. If we take reciprocal on both sides of equation 12, we will get this is for the Ni is equal to Gi divided by e to the power minus of alpha plus beta Ei minus 1, equation number 13. This is known as Bose-Einstein distribution law. Here alpha and beta are unknown parameters. Value of beta is generally taken as beta is equal to 1 divided by kT. K is Boltzmann constant. T is the temperature on absolute scale. With this, equation 13 may further be written as Ni is equal to Gi divided by beta, we are going to keep 1 by kT, so it will be Ei divided by kT. Equation number 14. So equation 14 is the Bose-Einstein distribution law. This equation, this sign can be changed, can be made plus if you want, provided in equation 9 when you left with log of this and log of this, take minus common and send to the other side. So this you may further write as Ni is equal to Gi divided by e to the power alpha plus beta Ei. If beta is replaced by 1 by kT, Ni is equal to Gi divided by e to the power minus of alpha plus beta, alpha plus Ei by kT minus 1, equation number 14. This is about the Bose-Einstein statistics and distribution. Hope you got it. Thank you.